Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you will fine and having fun. Here I am going to introduce the table of 1 and the table of 2. This is the table of 1 and this is the table of 2. So let's get started. Tell me, children, which number is this? Tell me. Yes, this is 1. Yes, this is 1. And which symbol is this? Tell me, children. This is the symbol of multiply. Yes, this is the symbol of multiply. And again, 1 will come. 1 multiply 1. And this is the symbol of is equal to. It will be called what, children? Is equal to. Yes. And the output, that is 1. 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. Okay. 1 ones are 1. Okay, children. Repeat after me. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 twos are 2. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. And after 1 threes are 3. 1 multiply 3 is equal to 3. 1 threes are 3. And after that 1 fours are 4. 1 fours are 4. 1 multiply 4 is equal to 4. And 4 is our output. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. Yes, 1 fives are 5. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. And next, 1 six are 6. Yes, 1 six are 6. And after that, 1 sevens are 7. 1 sevens are 7. 1 multiply 7 is equal to 7. 1 sevens are 7. Then 1 eights are 8. 1 eights are 8. Which symbol is this, children? Tell me. This is the symbol of multiply. Okay, children. And which symbol is this? This is the symbol of is equal to. Got it? Now move to next. 1 nines are 9. 1 nines are 9. And the last one, 1 tens are 10. 1 tens are 10. 1 multiply 1 0, that is 10, is equal to 1 0 10. 1 tens are 10. Repeat after me, children. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. And the last one, 1 tens are 10. Okay, children. Now move to next table, that is 2. Now tell me, which number is this? This is 2. Yes, this is 2. And which symbol is this? This is the symbol of multiply. And after 1 will come. And next, the sign of is equal to. And the output 2. 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 multiply, then 1, then is equal to, and then 2. 2 is our output. Okay. Next, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Yes, 2 3s are 6. And after that 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Yes, 2 4s are 8. After that 2 5s are 10. 1 0 10. 2 5s are 10. After that 2 6 are 12. 1 2 12. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 7s are 14. 1 4 14. 2 multiply 7 is equal to 14. 1 4 14. 2 7s are 14. Next 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 1 6 16. 2 8s are 16. Yes. And after that 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 1 8 18. 2 10s are 20. 2 multiply 1 0 10 is equal to 2 0 20. 2 10s are 20. Repeat me after. Okay children, repeat after me. 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. And 2 10s are 20. Got it children? Now repeat it again. Both table, okay? One ones are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. Repeat me. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 6s are 6. Repeat after me children. 1 7s are 7. 1 8s are 8. 1 9s are 9. 1 10s are 10. Okay. Then move to next table. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. And 2 10s are 20. Got it children? Here you learn how to learn the table of 1 and the table of 2. So today's your homework is learn the table of 1 and the table of 2 and make audio or video clip and send it to the school WhatsApp. Got it? Okay, bye bye.